Hi there. In this chapter, we will cover personnel holidays. Personnel holidays can be added to the TechMan system to track technician holidays and manage bookings and availability effectively. Hover over the Personnel tab and select Personnel Holidays. Here we can see all existing personnel holidays that have been added, along with filter options to search by specific technicians, date ranges, and holiday types. Let's create a new personnel holiday record by selecting the blue plus button in the top left-hand side. Let's select a technician from the drop-down menu and choose the date range they will be unavailable from. Then from the drop-down menu, select a holiday type that best fits the criteria. In this instance, let's select annual leave. A reason can be added here and will display when viewing the holiday on the dashboard and the month view. Lastly, notes can be added and the option of selecting half day before hitting save. Let's return to the dashboard to view how the holidays display. As we can see, the personnel holiday displays in the booked column on the left-hand side to give you visibility of technician availability for the day being looked at. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, the technician's current state will show a red band and reference the unavailability. If we click on the month diary view, the holiday displays on the relevant days and includes the reason added. Lastly, when viewing the calendar, a red block will display in the column of the unavailable technician. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.